flavor.
Ano?
This one flavor.
Flavor ice cream? Ang galing naman. Sayang, kalibangon lang ko. Mutan na ako.
You said you have your scissors?
Yeah, it's in the purple bag.
Okay.
But they're for hair, yeah?
Yeah.
Namaste. I think successful.
I think so too. Try lang.
You're whisking. Purple bag.
Mas gamot makikita.
Sigal, can you put konti tug now? Bug
Tubig.
now? Cold, tubig.
Oo, sige.
Salamat.
Kasi,
Bottle.
nakainom ka na ba ng gamot?
Para matest mo daw kung okay na siya, igagano mo dito sa
Simula.
di ba? Kasi.
Salamat.
Saan ba? I think 100% successful.
It's not?
Oh, I was gonna try and cut my sideburns straight, but
Oh, no. You need proper scissors.
Successful to. Pag nangyari yun, ayakapin mo na ako. Uy.
Wala mong beater dyan.
Ano yung bitter?
Sorry.
Yung pang beat.
No, this is okay. Fork is okay. The other one just makes more mess. Coffee.
Yes. Oo. Truly.
Ngalay?
I'll have to be foamy. And then mix this one. Something.
Tulog-tulogan ng pegla. Yung si ano yan? Sarisal? Charing, hindi. Si ano?
Why don't you use the... Because this is air. Doesn't really matter. The other one makes more mess. Maybe if we make a lot, that's okay.
Man! Nagiging successful. Look. Oh, kita ko.
Ba yan? Everyday nagme-makeup lahat?
Oo nga eh. Kanino to?
Lahat
Kanino
ng mga
to?
tao nagme-make.
Sino?
Akin?
Ay, gamitin mo pa din?
Oo, pero sige. Gamot.
And I know that I did something
this one's
wrong.
not good. Sabi daw magpaturo ka lang pero dapat ikaw yung gumawa.
No, this
Kaya
is
nga,
tester.
testing.
Tester lang. If it works, then he knows how to...
Ikaw bakit may nakontra?
Alis na nga ako dito.
Kung ayaw mo, sabihin mo lang. Sasabihin ko kay Kuya, ginawa ko ito para sa sarili ko. At hindi sa pagyakap. Okay lang naman. Alam ko naman na ayaw mo eh. Kaya ang gusto ko yan.
Thank you, Tin, sa basa. Saan ang pangatlong press mo?
Ito.
Medyo pa si Mama, kaya kong yakapin. Kung ayaw sana kung nakapayakapin dito.
Yakap na kailangan ito. Yakapin mo na nga. Yakap
Wala
na.
lang.
Bago nakakit.
Kanino to?
Masaya na ako doon.
Kami kakain ba naman? Hindi ka nag-shower, B?
Nag-shower ako mamaya.
Bango nga eh. Sarap yakapin.
Yakapin mo ko. Hindi naman sinabi ni Kuya na ikaw ay hindi pwedeng yumakap ay. Sabi lang ni Kuya kung bawal yumakap sa iyo. Miss
Girl na
na.
ba? Girl na?
Ayaw mo talaga.
Kaya
Ayaw mo talaga.
Kakao din pala tawag.
Bango oh.
Ayaw mo talaga.
malay mo.
English naman eh. Baka hindi na ito pa na-English mamaya.
Grabe ka naman.
Kasi parang may hinahanda ito. Tignan mo.
Pagdagan ko.
O, diba? Pwede na, diba?
Kuya oh. Ilalagay ko sa bote. Mamalis.
Di na sa ano lang, sa towel lang. Saan yung bimpo mo, be? Kami na. Bimpo lang. Ano yung luto mo? Ano yan?
Nag-try kami ng ice cream.
Ay, ice cream na to ah. Ice cream na pinag-uusapan dito. We're talking about business. Ice cream na.
I'm just trying it.
Wow, is that what cappuccino?
Oh, it smells good.
Coffee, cake?
Coffee
ice cream.
flavor ice cream.
Tayo lang naka-invento ng coffee ice cream.
Nakalamig ka?
Ano mo naman?
Ano yun? Ba't yung nagliligo
Gawa
ka
sa
kanina pa?
tiwalya. Yung towel natin eh masyadong ano. Daming himulmul. Grabe. Yes, ice cream. Successful yan. Sigurado ko. Successful.
Yan, si Andy ba yun pa?
Hindi ba yun?
Very talented girl.
Talented girl.
The most talented in the house.
Yeah.
Yakap naman, yakap ganun.
Hindi naman masama ay. Sabi ni Kuya, ako daw bawal yumakap sa iyo. Ikaw ay pwede. Miss na. Paano kung mayakap na talang?
I don't think so. We'll have to try. But every like 30
It's too.
every 30 minutes you have to keep mixing it in the fridge.
Every
It
30
has
minutes.
to freeze.
Oh, that's it? That's the ice cream? That's it?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just mixing it.
No, I think it will.
More egg.
Yeah.
More egg. One more
No, but
egg.
we only have this for
Exactly.
throughout the
That's
day.
why I'm only trying
Only trying
a
isang
little
lang.
bit.
One lang, mamalis. Kung nag-successful, di kay Kuya, mayo ako marami.
You need baking powder.
Pag nag-success,
For egg? For ice cream? No.
And then you can put some salt in it because it's ice cream, right?
Ice cream, yeah. But first, let's just try it.
Huh?
It is
Or
vanilla.
vanilla. To blend the sweetness.
I think you need vanilla extract.
You do need vanilla extract.
Huh?
You do need that.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
We don't have vanilla extract.
saan ka na?
Bro, you don't
Di pa si Carlo pwede ako yakapin.
Excuse me.
Bobby, I'm not doing anything, huh? I'm not doing anything.
Pwede mo rin ako yakapin, di ba?
Oh.
Yakapin nila ako. Sige na.
Nakakulang mo na. Sa likod laang, oh.
Basta ako.
Kahit na, pumayakap, kahit basa. Ano,
Then,
mama?
ginayo ko lang si
May tissue doon.
Mga tissue.
You need ingredients.
Mama,
We don't have
Di
it.
wala na.
you have to ask.
Out.
Wala na.
Miss, wag mong kontrahin kami ni Divine.
You have to ask
Wag ka
Kuya. You
magpang-kontra.
have to ask Kuya.
Okay, ask Kuya lang after.
Ingredients and a recipe.
Who cares? Let's try. Who much? Coffee.
Ice cream coffee.
And look.
Yeah. Yes. I
Try
think
lang.
ice cream yan. Ice cream na talaga yan, Divine. I think.
Yun. Tama. I got it. Nakuha ko na, Mama.
Lagi talaga siya yung mga daring na ganyan.
Take out.
Pink kung pink, mga gano'n.
At saka nakuha ko yung pink.
So that,
Nagaya ako sa'yo eh.
Ay,
Kailangan matching-matching.
Siyempre.
Parang toll gate lang.
Pwede natin.
try lang.
Alam mo, dito para sa iyo.
Let's try it.
Tapos ko ito kaya gawin ko. Alam mo nang kapangyaka?
Oh, you got my heartbeat running away.
Dahil sa yakap, nadama yung ice cream mo.
Try lang.
Okay, walang problema sa try.
Oh, nothing wrong with trying it.